Assalamu alaikum. Today I want to share a short message about the importance of Salah, our daily prayer. Salah is the second pillar of Islam and the most important act of worship after believing in Allah. It is the key to Jannah, a direct connection between us, our Creator. When we pray 5 times a day, we purify our hearts, seek forgiveness, and stay away from sins. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ says, the difference between a believer and a non-believer is Salah. So never take it lightly. No matter how busy we are, Salah must come first. May Allah guide us to never miss a single prayer and make Salah the light of our hearts. Ameen. Thank you for listening. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi.